Hi, have you ever wondered if the moon disappears? If the moon disappeared in a snap of the fingers, the Earth would not be destroyed instantly, as it would if the sun disappeared, but the long-term consequences would transform our planet into a very different and much more hostile world. Here's what would happen from the immediate to the catastrophic. 1. The collapse of the tides. The most immediate and obvious effect would be on the oceans. The moon's gravity accounts for about 2/3 of the tidal motion. Solar tides. Without the moon, we would still have tides caused by the sun, but they would be about 70% weaker. Consequence, the ocean would be much calmer, which would impair the circulation of marine nutrients. This would devastatingly affect coastal ecosystems, estuaries, and marine life that depend on the flow of waters for food and reproduction. Climate chaos. The Earth would lose its balance. This is the most dangerous long-term consequence. The moon acts as a gravitational anchor or a stabilizer for the Earth. It keeps our planet tilted at a constant 23.5 degrees to the sun. This stable tilt is what gives us predictable seasons. Without the moon, the Earth would begin to wobble violently on geological timescales. The axis could range from 0 degrees, without seasons, to 85 degrees, where the pole would be pointed directly at the sun. Results, the climate would become chaotic. We could have sudden ice ages covering the entire planet, or extreme heat that would melt all the ice in a few centuries. Agriculture and human civilization would hardly survive these extreme changes. 3. Total darkness nights. Without the reflection of sunlight on the lunar surface, the nights would be incredibly dark. The brightest object in the night sky would happen to be the planet Venus. Biological impact. Many nocturnal predators, owls, felines, would have difficulty hunting. Animals that use moonshine for navigation or breeding, such as newborn sea turtles or corals that spawn on full moons, would become disoriented and could go extinct. 4. Shorter days, long term. The moon's gravity creates a drag on Earth, acting as a brake that slows down our planet's rotation speed very slowly, just a few microseconds per year. Without the moon, this braking effect would disappear. The Earth's rotation would not accelerate out of nowhere, but it would stop slowing down. In the distant future, our days would be shorter than they would be if the moon were still there. Summary. Earth would become an unstable planet with stagnant oceans and unpredictable weather. Life would likely survive, but biological diversity would drop dramatically and human life would be extremely difficult due to radical climate change.